What's up YouTube? Welcome to Tig's Schooling. In this video, we're going to learn how you can connect your YouTube account with Google Adsense account and start making money. So all you have to do is go to YouTube, click on the picture and click on YouTube Studio. As you get inside channel dashboard, click on Monetization. Remember, you will be only able to apply for Google AdSense account and connect your YouTube channel with your Google AdSense account when you have crossed 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Then you will get this option that is apply now, which you can see on the screen. Otherwise, you won't be getting any option down there. As you get this option, start clicking on it. So as you click on apply now, you will get to this page that is channel monetization. You have to accept all the steps. So first click on start, step 1. And you have to accept the terms and condition. Go to step 2, which is sign up for Google AdSense account. Start it. And in this step, you will be redirected to your AdSense account to complete this step. So select, and if you have a pre-existing account, like you have already a Google AdSense account, you can add this account with that add this YouTube channel with that account and make money easily. You don't have to go through the process of getting a PIN through your address, and it will take 1 month to 3 months. So if you have a Google AdSense account already made, just click on yes, I have an existing account and connect with that one. But if you don't have, you want to create a new Google AdSense account, you have to go through no, I don't have an existing account, and that way you will be creating a new Google AdSense account. Click on continue. So this way you will be directed to your Google email, and you have to write down the email that you want to connect that you want your AdSense account to be connected with your YouTube channel. So if you have an email, click on it, and as you click on your email, you will get inside like this through Google AdSense. So here you can write you have to write yes for get more out of AdSense. All right, select your country. In case this is a client account, we're going to select Pakistan and come down and agree with all the things because you are not going to read them. So yes, and go create an account. And as you create an account, you will get a dashboard like this and get started. And write down the payment address details. Make sure not to write anything wrong, because this is the information on which you will receive a PIN on your address, which you will put in this website, and you will verify your account. And if you verify that account, if you are if you wrote correct address, you will receive a PIN, and that way you will get approved by Google AdSense and start making money through Western Union, bank transfer, or whatever you want. So if you have an individual account, go write the name, address, your city, your postal code, everything in detail, and search for postal code and submit. You have to submit it. Submit that account, and you will get an option like redirect or cancel. Try clicking on redirect, and you will get this page now on YouTube. So in step 2, you can see your channel is in progress in Google AdSense account, and you move to step 3, which is not started. And you see step 3, your channel is not going under review, so it will get in review as your step 2 is clear, which is that your AdSense account is completely linked with your YouTube channel, which happens within 2 days or within 24 hours. And if that gets approved, your channel will automatically go through the review, and it will take about, normally it takes about 1 week to 15 days. For my channel, it took 15 days. For your channel, it may take less, so it depends on category. So after that, your channel gets like in 2 days your channel gets reviewed, and after 15 days it gets approved, and boom, you start making money. And that money will be transferred to your Google AdSense account on every 12th of every month, and you will be able to receive that money from your Western Union on every 20 21st of every month. So that's it regarding how you can connect your Google AdSense account with your YouTube channel. If you want anything in more detail, please leave us a comment and make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.